Hey guys, welcome back. It is almost holiday season. It is actually technically holiday season. Cyber Week for Happy Planner started today. JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop tomorrow at noon Central Time. Um, I forget what time, 1 o'clock Central or 2 o'clock Eastern or something tomorrow for Jane's Agenda. I think Erin Condren sales already going on. There's just like there's sales everywhere. Like I'm getting dizzy. Um, I'm very much looking forward to January when I'm not buying anything and we are just planning. I'm super looking forward to that. Okay, so I have here the Erin Condren winter theme box, or whatever the heck they call it. We're just going to go with winter theme box because I can't remember. I had gotten the fall one. I loved the majority of what was in the fall one. I thought it was great. I'm not so sure about this one. So you usually get free shipping with this box, but I had also seen this and I really wanted this because this is just like one of the coolest covers I've ever seen, and it's a notebook, like legit notebook. You can change the covers on it and it's just a notebook, and it's nice toothy paper, and you know I love notebooks, and it's perforated if I want to yank it out. So I saw this cover and I went nuts and I was like, yeah, I have to have it. It was like on sale. So they had, this is not the A5, this is the 7x9. They had an A5, I think, and they have like just the covers, I think. They had other stuff that looked like this that was really cool. So I grabbed that, so I did not get the free shipping for the box because I grabbed that. Alright, so I have you guys kind of down, kind of low so you can see things. So here's the inside of the lid, which is super pretty. The joy of brightening other lives becomes the magic of the season. And that is totally true, because I love giving people stuff more than I like getting stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like getting stuff, but I really like giving people stuff more. Alright, so it's got pretty dark blue tissue paper, and then we're into the stuff, and I did already look at the stuff, so it's not quite as much of a surprise to me as it should be. So when you buy this box, you get a $20 off code. It doesn't start working until December 1st, and I think it's only good till the 31st. Sorry, until January 31st. So December 1st of this year to January 31st of this coming year, so you get like 2 months to use it. I would have liked to have it for this week, but you know, I guess not. So then you get this little card that tells you about your code and all the stuff in the box and whatnot. So we're going to put that aside and just look at stuff ourselves. Okay, so first up, we've got a cover. This is an A5 size, which is fine because I have 2 A5 books, and there were 2 choices. There was this or the snowflakes. I have stuff with snowflakes on it, so I got this one because I liked it. Believe something wonderful is about to happen. Honestly, this is like good for all winter, not just Christmas. So is the snowflake one. And the back's really pretty. And the inside is pretty. It's just, I have to keep remembering to watch the screen so that I know that you guys can see everything. I saw videos I shot and I wasn't paying attention, and I'm so sorry, because I know that was awful. Alright, so that was our cover. And then we've got stickers. And I thought there was only 1 sheet, but somebody else told me there's 2. Okay, so these are kind of, it's weird because they're kind of more like fall theme, color-wise, at least these. So we got weekend, important email, payday today, and that goes all the way down here. And then you've got meeting, reminder, urgent, vacation, and to do, and they go down the rest of the sheet. And then we've got some winter stickers, so mostly silver snowflakes, which are really pretty. These are paper, not clear. And then we've got believe something wonderful is about to happen, and the joy of brightening others' lives becomes the magic of the season. And then you already have what it takes. So those aren't bad. The foil's not crazy. You know, I mean, they're pretty much solid foil, but it's not ugly foil, which is good. We're going to be seeing some ugly foil when we review some planners coming up next week, probably. Okay. And then we've got a goal, like this week, pads. You can put goals up here, what week it is. You got Monday through Sunday. It's basically a daily sheet, but it's on a gummed pad instead of like punched or whatever. And it's that nice toothy paper again. I really do like their paper. I need to do pen tests on it though. like what will bleed through it. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, and then I'll show you the plastic cover for it. It's a useful sticker, but I had already, like I said, opened this up. So this is, what are they calling this thing? Compact Planner Folio. And it's gold foil on the outside, gold hardware, which is, as someone else had already pointed out, tarnishing right when we got it. This is kind of like a fake suede feel, but this is like, I don't know, like hard canvas feel, kind of. I don't really know how to describe that. So it comes with a petite planner. So you would think that this would fit like an A5. It doesn't. Like, it looks like it would fit an A5. I thought it would fit an A5, which is like most of the reason that I got this box, because I have 2 A5 books. And nope, it doesn't fit the A5. You can't close it. So it comes with this petite planner. You already have what it takes. Gold stars all over. Pretty blue and kind of purpley background. And then it says Big Picture Planner. And now this side in here is like all shiny. Zoom out to zoom in. I don't really know what that means. Good thing my camera isn't voice activated. Big journeys start with small steps, and now it tells you how to use this. So, planning for a new year. Create intentions and goals for the next 12 months. So it's like a mini goal planner. So how'd the past year go? What worked? What didn't work? How I want to feel in the new year? What I want to accomplish? And then setting your vision for this year. So your vision and your goals. And then you're in January. So this month's intentions, this month's goals, the goal, the progress you want to make, and then you've got like checklists and stuff over here. And then you've got lined paper. And then you're back to this month's intentions, this month's goals, that kind of thing. Does it ever do anything? It does change from green, so you get like this color. So that's cool. And it looks like it's 12 months worth, so then you've got this. It's pretty, and then they mess it up with their social media stuff. The last 2 pages, they have how the past year went, what I accomplished, what worked, what didn't work, what I'm proud of, I'm capable of, I know I can. So it's like reflect on all of this, and then I guess you would buy another one for the following year unless you hate it. And then it does come with this, yes, 1 sheet of stickers. So a bunch of checklists, some headers, and then a couple of like quotes. So believe something wonderful is about to happen, make it happen, keep moving forward, plan on it, start doing, shine your brightest, good things take planning, just begin, the time is now, you've got this. So, you know, stickers, and it's got this little pocket in the back, I guess, if you want to stick something there other than these stickers. But if you use the folio, oops, let's not ruin the stickers, you're going to be putting it in there anyway. You can't really, like, you could, but it becomes strange to do that. But you can actually do that. It will actually close. I can get a hold of the zipper. So, oops, what'd I do? Okay, it's just because it's new. Alright, so it does that. Alright, I'm just seeing things. I don't really know that I will use this. This might end up getting given away. I don't know. We'll see. I might give it to somebody for Christmas or something. But it's not, like, it's not the kind of folio I thought it was, and I was all excited for, so. And then, like, that's the cute little sticker that was on the front. And let's see, there's more stuff in here. Alright, so we got these little thin strip flag type things. I definitely am not going to be using these, so these will probably go to someone else. And then I think this is the last item, is these pens. So, hey, well, it's not a real pen test, but we can see what their pens look like on their paper. So there's a blue and a gold, and they're metallic ink. So this is gold ink, and this is cobalt metallic ink. And we got my little wax nemesis things. Okay, so gonna have to endure my lousy handwriting. I just want to see, like, how long do they take to dry? How do they look on the paper? How does it feel writing with them on the paper? I'm just going to do, like, gold 1. Oh, I like this one. And gold 2. That's pretty. I like that one. The gold is it's a gold pen. This is pretty. I like that one. Alright, now, you bleed through. You do not. So that's good. At least their own pens work. So yeah, so those are cool. I do like the blue one much better than the other one. Really not gonna see, they're called the highlighter sticky note tabs. So my thought is you write something and then you could like put this over it. They're probably like somewhat transparent, so it would appear like it was a highlighter because they're like neon colors. But I would just yank out my mild liners. It's not really something I would use. And that is everything in the box. We're gonna get rid of that plastic. All right, so you get the folio with the petite planner, gold planner. You get this notepad, 2 pens, cover for an A5 book. So like if you get this and you don't have an A5 book, now you kind of like need to use your $20 code to buy an A5 book to use your cover. 2 sheets of stickers. We'll stick this here. More plastic. And our little card and our $20 off. So this box was like 40 bucks. So you get the $20 off code, so it makes it like 20. I think the values for some of this stuff on here is a little out of whack. And apparently you can fit that. This notepad will fit in here. Well, let's see. They say it fits. Let's see if it really fits. Why not? We're here. Where would you put it though? Okay, so I guess if you have your little planner over here, no, it's definitely not going to fit in there. That's very tight. I guess if you just want to carry it around with you, or if you want, no, you can do that in the petite planner. You can fit them both, and you still have room. I don't know if you can see that there's still, like it can still expand a bit. Okay, so it does fit. It just doesn't have like a designated place to attach it. A little odd, but okay. Alright, so we get that. We got this, these, that, this. So back to this card. Okay, so the big picture planner is, petite planner is apparently an exclusive. They're valuing that at $14.50. Probably, yeah. The 2 sheets of 6 stickers for $6.50. If they came out of a small shop, steal. Coming from Erin Condren, no. The metallic pen duo, $8.50. I'd probably pay that just for the blue one. Really like the blue one. And the Snowflakes Weekly Goal Setting Notepad, they're saying it's 10 bucks. Probably. It is nice paper. Starry Night Compact Vegan Leather Folio, $28. I don't know if I would actually pay $28 for that. And then the highlighter sticky note tabs, they're saying $5.50, and I'm thinking, dollar bin. Just because they're not useful to me. I mean, and if you like things that I don't like, that's totally cool. You don't have to like things that I like, and I don't have to like everything that you do, and we can still like hang out and be friends and look at stuff. So I'm not trying to insult anybody. It's just my personal preference, not liking these at all. No. All right, and then there was the choice of cover. So you could get a 7x9 or an A5, but like I said, I have the A5s and the cool new cover on the only 7x9 I have, so no need for a 7x9 for me. And they're saying that's $8.50, and that I absolutely agree with, and their covers are really cool, and I like them. That you can like pop them on, because I didn't think you could pop things onto spiral planners, so that's pretty cool. And it's a cute little card. So that's everything in this box. What do you think about it? Did you order it? What's your favorite thing? What's the thing you don't like? You planning on giving this to anyone for Christmas? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.